How to create Wix website on mobile phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can create a Wix website from your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, locate your Google Chrome or any web browser and then open it up. After you open it up, simply search for Wix. Head over to the search bar. You can directly go to wix.com. And after you do that, you'll be prompted to this website. Now, enter out your email address and then tap on Get Started. After you enter your email, tap on Get Started. After you do that, you can log in into your account or create an account. So the process is simple. Create an account first and then log in. After you do that, you can tap on the Get Started button there. You'll see Create Your First Site. Tap on Get Started. After you tap on it, it will take you to Wix's web designer, and I can choose who you want this for. So I'll just choose myself, then tap on Next. After you do that, you can set this up using a chat, but let's not do that, and tap on Setup without chat. If you want to do it with the chat, you can do that as well. Now, all you have to do is answer some questions. So here you can see what type of site you are trying to create. So let's say that I want it for a technology company. And I can simply choose technology company and then move on to the next option. After you're doing that, you can then select what you want to add to your sites. So if you want to add blogs, you can select that, events, and many more. So I'll just keep it simple and then simply choose events and blogs. Tap on Next. Then you can give your site a name. I'll just name it Atticus Tech. Then tap on Finish. After you answer the question, you can then get a domain if you want to, or download the app. So after that, you can tap on the Wix option on the top and you'll find your site. So head over to your site that you just created. And there you'll see to design or edit your site, you'll need to go to wix.com on your desktop. So what you can do instead of that is tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And tap on Request the desktop site. So you'll see the desktop site option here. You can tap on that. And then you will find the desktop site. And from here, you can start developing your site. So doing this on your mobile phone is going to be quite tricky. So better to do it on your PC or desktop. From here at the left hand side, you can see the setup option where you can basically start setting up your business or your website. So there you can see an option. Let me just close this. So there you can see the setup business option where you can get a business email, design your website. So we'll head over to design site option right here. Tap on it. After you do that, you can then design a site using a template, or you can generate a design with AI. So you can, if you want to browse through a lot of different designs and then pick one, you can tap on pick a template. Else you can tap on generate a design. So select either one. So you can tap on continue with setup. For now, you can choose either one. Let's pick a template. After you tap on pick a template, you will then be prompted to a list of different templates like this. So select whichever you like. Then tap on edit. Then you can edit that site for yourself. So from right here, you can edit this site for yourself. Now explore it out, and that is the easy and beginner guide for how you can create a website on Wix. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.